Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good and I hope you're well. Lord. So it's been a while. I always feel so bad when I come and say it's been a while, but life has been basbossing. Life has been really basbossing and I'm trying my best to juggle everything. I'm gonna try my best to talk from the dome and just have a little chin mug with you guys because I find it really hard to talk on camera now. I don't know what it is. Whenever I have to talk on camera, the words don't seem to come out and I stumble over my words, I stutter, I say things wrong, but I'm gonna try my best not to cut too much out of this video. But I hope you guys are good. Anyway, so just a little update, I guess, outside of, I mean, I've been active. I think what it is that I haven't spoken to the camera in a while and I'm not one to like talk too much. So I've been posting, but the videos have been very much like pub tour, hair videos and other stuff. Yeah, I've been posting. But the algorithm doesn't like me like anywhere. But anyway, it's okay because I'm gonna keep going, it's okay. But huge announcement, guys. I announced it on my Instagram and I also put it in my community tab in case you missed it. I have an ebook. Woo! Bells and whistles. So if you guys have been following me on this health journey for a long time, you would know that I chose to switch up my diet 3 years ago in 2021 because of a host of reasons. I just wasn't feeling good. I just had surgery, yada yada yada, and I realized that the way I was eating wasn't helping me at all. So I chose to eat more fruits and vegetables and I've stuck to it. I just want to give myself a pat on the back because 3 years and I'm still doing this. Where are the girls that said I couldn't do it? Because I remember when I first came on here, everyone thought I was crazy because I said I'm gonna eat fruit and vegetables and basically live a healthy lifestyle. And people were like, that's not sustainable, blah, blah, blah. 3 years, where you at? Where are you at? But anyway, yeah, so pat on the back for me. I've been doing it for 3 years now and clearly it's worked because your girl looks great. It might not look it on my skin because I don't know what's going on with my skin. It's something topical because it's clearly not me. Maybe it's a cream, maybe it's a hair product. I've recently bought this, I was recently gifted a hair product that I've been putting on my edges because I wear a lot of wigs and I don't want my edges to disappear. So I try and keep my edges as moisturized as possible. So I spray this like moisturizing spray around my edges and I've been doing it for like maybe like a month or so. And the amount of spots on my forehead, rude. But anyway, back to what I was saying. The benefits of living this lifestyle, this like less eating, raw foods, fruits, vegetables, grains, seeds, all that kind of stuff I've reaped the fruits, okay, because your girl looks good, sorry, okay, because I used to look a hot mess. Let me even give an example. Let me put a little picture here just to remind you of what I used to look like over here. And I've been giving you guys a lot of game. I started posting my lifestyle videos. I think it was like 2022. I started posting like food videos, what I eat, all that kind of stuff. And they've been doing really well. And I'm so grateful to you guys for always supporting me. Because obviously it's a complete switch from like makeup and hair and all that kind of stuff. But I try and like dip it in, not too much though, not too much. But for the girls that want to get a really nice comprehensive book on what I eat, how I do it. If you just feel like you want to support me monetarily, is that even a word? Yeah, you can go ahead and download my ebook. I'll leave the website here. It's ropodemure.com. I have a few recipes on there, not a few, quite a lot. To be fair, I actually have like up to 20 recipes, but I put 15 because 15 are the juices and the smoothies, and I have more recipes as well as bonus a recipe on there that's gonna help you with your journey if you want to eat more plants and incorporate more plants into your diet, if you want to reap the benefits of eating plants, if you want to heal yourself, if you want to cleanse, if you want to detox. The book is your friend, okay? So if you love me and you have really supported my journey, I would love if you can support me just that tiny little bit more and download the ebook and buy it. That would be fantastic. If not, that's completely fine. You can just watch my other videos and get it for free. But yeah, that's not really supporting, but yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and of course it's for you guys. If you know a family or a friend that's struggling with like their weight, symptoms of disease, struggling with high blood pressure, all that kind of stuff, anything to do with health, and you want to help them, or if you want to help yourself, if you want to lose weight, if you just want a healthier lifestyle, then I would encourage you to get your hands on my ebook. I want to say a huge thank you to you guys for supporting me over the years. You guys don't understand, because when I first started doing this, I really didn't know where it was going to go. How I used to look, even sometimes when I look back at pictures, I'm like, girl, is that you? Because I was heavy, and not just the fact that I was heavy, I just wasn't healthy. And like, the years that I've been doing this is gonna be all over the place, but it's just me just talking, so please, yeah. But the years that I've been doing this, I've learned so much about myself, not just physically. I've learned so much about myself mentally. I know how to love myself better. My mental state is a lot better. My spiritual state is a lot better. It's just been such a good journey. I've never stuck to something this long. Because I've tried to do the gym, I've tried to do the gym like consistently. I will do the gym for like 2 months and then fall off, but I've never stuck to anything this long. So it's something that I genuinely love. It's something that I would love for you guys to experience as well, because I feel like once you start, you would understand exactly where I'm coming from. Because you might not understand where I'm coming from right now, because it might seem so like ridiculous to you to just mainly eat plant foods like fruits, vegetables, and all that kind of stuff, or just mainly juice, or don't eat 3 times a day, or yeah, always have fruits for breakfast, things like that, or not wear deodorant, or things like that. Like, that might seem like completely like, what the heck is this girl? Okay, but I feel like once you start doing it, you completely understand the benefits, and I just want to share that to everybody. Like, I want everybody to know, because when I first started doing it, I wanted to keep it to myself, because it was like, let me just see how this goes. I don't want to embarrass myself, because you know when you say something on the internet, people run with it. Say for example, I was like, I'm vegan now, and then someone sees me out eating chicken, they're gonna be like, girl, were you not the girl that said you were vegan? So I wanted to see how it was gonna go. But because I started seeing the benefits so quickly, I was like, wow, how does nobody else know about this? And how come nobody else told me about this? And where have I been? Okay, because it makes so much sense that I don't understand how I didn't know this the whole time. Losing weight or living a healthy life is very, very easy. It is very easy. It might sound like it's far-fetched, but it's quite easy. Eat less, sleep more, rest, and just take things back to Genesis. Like, I always go back to Genesis. What did God say was food before sin entered the world? God did not say crisps were food before sin entered the world, okay? God did not list that in the list of food. I just take the things back to how I know that God wanted things to be from the beginning, and implement those things in my life. So if anything falls out of that, not just with food wise, then it's not for me. Yeah, I feel like I'm talking bears, and yeah, I don't even know what the point of this video was. But anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know that I have an ebook now, and I'm super excited, and I can't wait for you guys. And oh yeah, thank you to the people who have already bought the book. Like, I really appreciate you. Wait, what's the new? Oh gosh, I really appreciate you. And I wanted to let my YouTube family know as well, because I didn't want to leave you guys out. I have a new page on Instagram, I even forgot the page name. Juice with Ropo. I'm gonna be doing a lot of my juicing content there, because I feel like the juicing content on my main Instagram feed, it can get confusing, especially for brands and stuff. So I wanted to like have a separate page. So if you're into all this like plant-based lifestyle kind of stuff, follow that page. I will have lots of content coming soon, I promise. And yeah, so I think that's pretty much it. But I want to just thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for always supporting me and for getting me where I am now. And yeah, love you lots, and download the ebook, buy it. All right, bye.